We about to go live. We about to go live. I'm waiting for it to set up the stream. And we getting it popping. I hope everybody having a blessed, great Thursday. All right, I'm about to share the screen. Okay, so the earnings, right? Big bam, 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 bam. Woo, woo. So the earnings, y'all, so this is what I was saying, right? So for the earnings, what you want to do on your chart, you could pull this up, and this is the whispers on x.com or Twitter or whatever, right? So you pull this up. It's a little secret sauce, right? This is what I be telling y'all. Just pick 1, 2, 3, whatever, whatever. Like we're gonna look at Dell, right? And like I'm just gonna go to it. Like we're gonna look at Dell. Look at Dell on your chart and see how the people doing because they had earnings today. Now look at that. Dell ain't Delling. Dell is definitely on a Dell trend. Whoa. All right. So let's check this out, right? So we can clearly see this trend, right? Bam. Dale has been inside this box, inside this rectangle. For how long? Since November 23rd. Well, really, we want to be technical back here, you know what I'm saying? October the 9th. All right, cool. So boom, back then, right? And look, they still have room for lower. How do we know that? So, because they still in between these lines. Now, what's going to determine when they get out of the line? Let's see how far they can go. Hold on. Now let's look at it. This lower low down here. Peep game now. Peep game. Bam. Now, this is as low. Dell can come down. How do I know that? Because I'm looking at the market structure, which is way down here. Now, next stop, of course, could be right here at this higher low. So this is what I'm saying. When I say mark up a chart, like look and see what they earnings there, right? So boom, here's the earnings. Bam, they passed their earnings. You see 2 green, click on that. Okay, boom, February 26th. That is today's date, right? And it cool, 10% over, 5% over. Yay, they made it. Now, what this means for Dell, that tomorrow, Dell probably is going to take a big dip. Why do I say that? Let me see if they under this 30, which they probably are. Hold on. I don't know why. Oh, well, yeah, because I'm on the other thing. Here we go. Yep. Boom. They under the 30 week, right? And plus, how many lower highs do you see? Let's look at the market structure. 1, 2, and 3. 3 lower highs, right? Only this one is touching the line. These 2 is there, but only this one's touching the line. Lower high, failure to go higher. So what that means is this might be low-key a slick little swing play to get in because of the lower high. It's sitting right there. So what I'm going to say is, so put a line right under there. If tomorrow there is a bearish candle, and let's throwing this up a little bit, and I'm going to actually look this up and do my little extended research on it. If it comes underneath here, so it's at 121.45 right this minute. So if it's another bearish candle that comes tomorrow, this thing is gonna go. And probably at least to here, right? And tomorrow's Friday, so and mostly Friday is bearish days. Thursday and Friday are bearish days for most stocks, right? And then boom, if it come down there, if it breaks and retests here, then this is the next stop. Like this is how it works. It's just that simple. So how do we know that? It's underneath the 30 week. It has a lower high. It has 3 lower highs, and it's been trading in here since when? Since we said November. So I'm just telling y'all, like pick a company, right? And look at the market structure and mark up the lines. This is what I'm telling you. It's how you find some cool swing plays. Like, because after earnings, if they beat the earnings, that it's definitely going to move in whatever direction that it's in because it has to finish the trend. It just does, or it can just spike up and go the other way. But at least you can create a watch list and be like earnings watch list. Not like every single one of them because it is a lot, but at least like 3 a day type vibe. Because you see, they got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's like 20 earnings a day. So pick like 3, maybe 5, depending on how you feeling. And just mark it up and then set your alerts. All you gotta do is set the alert. And he's like, this line right here, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set alert, right click, hit the alert button. So tomorrow, if it past that line, it's gonna let me know. March is cool, and I'm gonna write Dell. Y'all should be doing this on y'all chart too. Dell alert. I'm sorry, Dell support line break. Line. I'm tripping. Break. Boom. We can leave all that. Dell support line break. Bam. So now I have an alert set for Dell. And that's just on some random on this call type vibe because of Dell. You can pick any of them, right? So that's that. So that's just a little secret sauce. And then boom, I would predict it's going there. And if Dell comes there, I would say it's going there next. And I would do that just to see if I'm right. And sometimes I do stuff just to see if I'm right. To work on your predictions. But if it breaks this line, if tomorrow there is a bearish candle, that's my TP1. It's my TP2. And then it could, let me look at the monthly right quick. Yeah, high low right there. And then if it goes lower than that, that'll be sad. But it can go all the way down to this higher low down here. Super sad, but boom. It could. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. It could. It sure could. Boom. And that's how you look. You just mark it up from the market structure. Plain and simple. So this is the 3 there. 106.17. Dell can go 66.05. Boom. And then 34.16. And you want to do it extended, you can go on bar chart and look at the support and resistance. Bop, bop. So that's that. All right. So what we got? Just wanted to give y'all a quick little 1-2 right quick. For the people. So I'm gonna leave that and put it on my watch list. And now Dell is on my watch list. It's definitely bearish for sure. So that's that. My people, y'all good? Everybody good?
Yeah, we good.
All right, Gucci. All right, so we'll be looking at tonight.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I've been killing Carvana for the
Oh,
past 3 weeks. Like
okay.
kind of like what you did.
Yeah.
Look at the market structure, see the trend,
Mm-hmm.
and depending on what trend they in, that's what I'm putting on their ass that day. So I've
That's
been
it.
into it.
Bam, Carvana. That's the car people, man.
Today I hit them for 1100 in like 15 minutes.
Dang. On them dips, huh? Them bears was vicious today. Ooh, oh no, it went up. That went up. Okay, it went up. Ooh, I see the
Yeah,
double
and
top.
it's like right when I got out, it had dropped down some more, and I was like, "Ooh, maybe I could get in again." But I was like, "You know what? I ain't no scalper. I'm gonna just take this L. I mean, I'm gonna take this win and go on about my business."
He said I'm out. Okay. Boom.
But I got it watching. I'm watching for it for tomorrow. I want to make another play on their ass tomorrow.
PVNA. Okay, for
What are
sure.
you getting weeklies?
Nah, I'll get like so sometimes it'll let me do just like for that day, and then sometimes it's like I'll have to get like the 3 day contract or the 7 day, whatever they offering.
Mm.
But for the most part, I be trying to just get it for that day because I'm only gonna be in and out for like 30 minutes to an hour at the max.
Oh, okay. So you get the latest one that's available?
I'll get the very first expiration date that's available.
Okay, okay.
Mhm. Oh, yeah, they in the trend.
Yeah, they dropped since when was that big drop there? 2 weeks ago? That was big.
Uh,
That
Yeah.
big long, you see that big red candle?
Oh yeah, I see it for sure. Yeah, I was
Hmm.
looking at it on the 4 hour.
Uh-huh. I dropped the put on their ass on earnings too. Hit them on that.
Oh, that was a good one. I missed it.
Ooh, I see it. Yeah.
I wanted
Bad.
to do that because they were gonna. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
I've been
green,
watching them.
but they are in such bad shape. Like
Mhm.
in the news, like they're not going up.
I'm gonna tell you what did it for me. I was at the
What?
coffee shop and I was, doing my thing. This chick come walk in. I forgot what position she holds at Carvana, but I asked her what she do. She's like, "Oh yeah, I do this for Carvana." I said, "Let me pull it up on the chart real quick."
Mm.
As soon as I did that, I've been whooping their ass ever since then. I said, "Oh, girl, I'm about to
Wow.
make a lot of money off your company. I hope they keep going down."
Period. Mhm.
It's okay for them to go down. They were going up forever, all of last
No,
year,
real
two
talk.
years.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
had I
Yeah.
had went all the way back and seen all that up they was doing. I was
Oh
like, "Oh
my
yeah, it was going up
gosh.
for a long
Yeah.
time."
Yeah.
Yeah, they were, and then they got to come back and swipe that liquidity.
Hmm.
See, yeah, cause see they was going up shoot since June 23.
Yep.
Yep, and December 25. Yeah, so now they starting to pull back a little bit,
Yeah,
but
they still in a downtrend too.
Yeah, and take a look, put on the moving averages move. It
yeah.
stopped exactly at the 200 EMA. So
Oh,
it
what?
might reject tomorrow
Let me see. Oh, on the daily for sure.
on the
Come on,
daily. Yeah.
though.
So
Okay, okay.
tomorrow
See,
it'll reject it.
Look at our ear. See that?
hey,
That 200
Yeah,
for
we got to
sure.
get on it tomorrow.
Yeah, it's retesting. It's like right there. So
mhm.
it could be on its way back up to make another lower high. It definitely could be because y'all see the double top up here, the little
Yep.
M.
That's when I
Yeah.
had start fucking with it. I see that double top. I
Oh,
said, "Oh yeah, I'm
wow.
about to get this money
Yeah,
on
look
their
at
ass."
that. Oh my
See,
gosh, you're good at recognizing those quick.
boom.
You
Yeah.
got double top eyes. You see
I see
those
patterns.
quick.
Yeah,
Oh
my favorite is the double booty though. I like the double bottom.
you like the double booty.
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks like it definitely can pull back. Okay, yeah, we on the daily. So I would say,
Hmm.
hold on.
That'll be top watch tomorrow.
I mean, yeah, why not?
Hey.
Right. Yeah, and it's still under the 30. The
Under
30.
the 30, yeah, the 30 week, the 200, it stopped at the 200.
Yep, the 200 like sitting right there. So
Yeah.
what I would say, yeah, this is definitely bearish,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, it is. It'll definitely, I mean, if it's not tomorrow, it'll go back because if you look at I'm looking at the 50.
All right. Put that
Let me
back on.
see.
Let
That's
me
a
see.
50 MA. It's pointing down. You see how the 50
Mhm.
is pointing down?
Yeah, it is. Yep,
Yeah, so that's key too.
for sure. It's
Mhm.
under the 50. Now, where's the 800 at?
Down below.
Where? I don't see
You
it.
don't have it? It's
Oh,
probably
maybe mine
off.
ain't on.
It's
Let me
off. Yeah, because mine is on.
okay, yep. I had to
Yeah,
click that mug back
it's
on.
at the what, 224.
Okay, it's down. Oh yeah, yeah, there you go. Boom. Down here, down the hatch.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
Ooh,
you
that
know what I've been using to hit on it though? Every single day, I use the 15-minute orb strategy from Max Options Trading, Big
yeah.
Daddy Max. So
What's
I've been using
that?
this
Mm-hmm.
15-minute orb strategy just every single day. Once it break up or down, I'm in and I'm
Mhm.
killing their ass.
Period.
Yeah.
Right. Yep. ORB.
Or if
Good
it
old
range, I don't do nothing.
yeah,
Mm,
period. Oh, that's smart. I'm gonna look at this. Hold on.
let's see.
I see what it did. You said you traded it today, right?
Yep, I hit them
You
today again.
for a long?
I got in. I think it was the second 15-minute candle. Once I seen that one break orb,
Oh,
I had
really?
uh I had got in. Yeah, I
Okay.
be trading it on the lower time frames. I
Yep.
be on the 15-minute, 1 minute, 5 minute.
Of
Mm-hmm.
course. Yeah, let me put my
Okay, so once it broke 15.
Yeah, it's a free indicator on Trading
Yeah,
View.
yeah. No, we have it. We do.
Yeah,
We have orb. So
yeah,
once it broke the 15-minute orb, you got in.
put it in.
yeah. Once it broke the orb, I got right in.
And it's a good one because it has a good ATR. It moves big.
Oh yeah,
So
every time I play Carvana, I make crazy money on that thing,
Yeah,
and it be real quick.
it moves like $30 in a day. That's a good one.
But that motherfucker bipolar too though, because it'll move $30, and then it'll turn right back around and give it away.
Oh
You know what I'm
my
saying?
gosh.
Within a matter of an hour.
Oh yeah, no, it pulls back because if you take a look, do you have the 15-minute move?
well, yeah, this a 5 minute, but this the
Oh,
orb
okay. But
here.
you see how it pulled back to the
Oh
orb?
yeah, it did. Yep, to the
Yeah,
resistance
it
level,
pulled right back.
And then it
and
went back up
and
right
then
to
it
the
went right
higher
back.
high.
So
Yep.
yeah, if you scalping, you damn sure could have got that 3 times.
I know
Yeah.
some stocks
So,
3 times if you're all day.
yep. No, that was a good one for sure. It went
Oh
up.
yeah, see, yeah, there you did. 5,
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a 5, 10, 15? Yep. See, yeah, that's the orb. And then
That's
it
the orb.
retested it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good strategy, the orb. That's why I do that. Yep. The breakout strategy for sure.
Yeah, the breakout on the
Yeah.
Nice
15.
touch. Yep.
Yep. That
Good.
breakout, that's where it's at, especially for
Yep.
what I've been doing. I'm like, yep, this is right up my alley.
Yeah, for sure. They
Mm.
said I hit him. I hit him
And
for the
I ain't been swerving either. I'm trying to go full time with the trading, so I'm like, you know what I'm saying? So I've been taking it more serious.
That's good. Either trying to quit that job, huh?
Nah,
Mm-hmm.
I ain't had no job. I was I was making 6 figures off the Target, off the ship shit. I was in and out of Target, just shopping up in there for people.
Oh wow.
And I would make like 2,000 a week off of that, sometimes more. But
Doing what?
shopping in Target on
Mm-hmm.
Shipped.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's owned by Target. It's an app owned by Target. But
Oh, okay.
on
I
the
heard
app,
of
like
it.
you could, it's a bunch of different shit you could shop on there. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's what I was doing. I'm just like, yo, I'm done with that. I'm about to take this trading shit. You know what I'm saying, full time.
Why not? Who said you can't?
Yeah, that part.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Who said you can't?
Especially with Carvana paying me every day. Shit, go ahead.
Now I ain't gonna hold you now on this weekly though. I'm gonna show you what I see on the weekly. Hold on this weekly. There's two ways you can look at this. So higher low and higher low. Okay, this look like it want to go up on the weekly, like
Yeah.
for yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, it could, but depending on what the next candle looking like for next week. Because today is Thursday. So this is what I see on the weekly. Now, look how clever it is because wait. Let me move this down like right under this. Wait, okay, right. So this is my bye uptrend line right here. I'm not gonna write it, but see how the wicks just like so eloquently tested, but it doesn't cross underneath it.
Mm-hmm.
That's so amazing. Like, how did it know? Because so if tomorrow, if a bearish candle come in tomorrow and close under 328.44, then this trend has flipped bearish. I'm just saying. Now, if it withholds and then comes back up, the next bullish candle will be good to go back up to ride this up. But again, this is the weekly, so this is where you put your swing plays into play because ideally, if that comes true, then yeah, it can go all the way back up to $538, which is almost a $200, 200 point push.
Yeah, and if it do that, it's gonna blow past that, you know what I'm
It's
saying, the
gonna go.
previous all time high,
Oh, it is.
making new all time high. So I definitely been watching for a swing.
For a swing, for sure. Yeah, I mean, because it's definitely pulling back now, but again, this is the weekly, and this is
Mhm.
like, yeah, 56%. That's pretty long there. But yes, this is what I see for the weekly for a swing play. But you just have to be careful for this will be the number I would look at for Cavada. It's 328.44. If it passed that, like when I say pass, I meant like close underneath. If it closed underneath it, then it'll flip to a downtrend. But if it holds this higher low, then it's gonna push back up. So you gotta just watch it type deal because it is at a low on the daily
Hold
time
on, real
frame.
quick. What level did you say that was? You said it was 38 something.
328.40.
328.
Mm-hmm. Well, right here. This 78.6
Okay.
level. So yeah, if it closes underneath that, because right now it's at 353. Yeah. And then if it dropped to 328, if it's closed underneath that, so you gotta watch for the closure because tomorrow's Friday, so it's gonna print a Friday candle, which I doubt because today is Thursday, so this is like looking bullish. So we'll see. But just as a guide, to help guide you, like, yeah, because, as far as entry, where I would enter this is just on the next bullish candle, like maybe sometime next week if it's gonna close above this candle, whatever this candle is tomorrow, because it's still Thursday, so this could either push up or it could come back down. So you just gotta just watch it, that type of deal. So it'll like still go up. So I'm gonna put the target joints on there, and that'll be cool for a nice swing. Yeah.
Definitely.
I think, yeah, it could go up another 20 and then reject.
Yeah, it could for sure. Who said it can?
Yeah,
Hey.
because if you do an anchor of VWAP on
Oh,
the higher high of the daily, it could probably go up to there tomorrow and stop and reject there.
there you go. See, keep an eye on it.
You got a nice, soothing voice.
Yeah, Moo does have a nice soothing
No, no, no,
voice.
no, no, no.
Talking about you. We talking about
Thank you,
you.
thank you, thank you.
Big these, right? Yeah. I mean, my voice is cool and
Yeah,
everything.
From you, her voice is that one that get me hyped up. I'm ready to just come drive
Yeah,
out ATL for
I
right.
the
know, I
Yeah.
know. I've been
Moo got that
I want
turned
to go
up.
to ATL so send that
Yeah.
Moo.
She get you going. Moo got that energy
Mm-hmm.
for
She
real.
got that energy out this world.
Hey, turn up. Hey.
She's ready to party.
All the time. All the
You
time.
just definitely make me want to party. I ain't gonna lie. Especially when you did your birthday party and I was
Oh,
seeing the
I
content from that. I'm
know.
like, fuck, I wish I was in Atlanta.
Period.
Right.
Oh, that thing
That's
was
that
lit.
to
Oh,
tell
I
you.
ain't
Next
gonna.
time you got to do a road show for your birthday. You got to make stops, different
Yeah,
Oh
cities.
we
yeah.
definitely
I
got to
mean,
stop in
stop.
Phoenix.
Yeah, exactly. Way across yonder. For sure. Oh man,
Yeah, that's a good one.
that's a
Carvana.
good one. For sure.
I'll take a look
Varner.
tomorrow.
Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one, KT. KT.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I could, you know what I'm saying? Help y'all out, put something on the watch list.
For
Mm-hmm.
sure. For
That's a good
sure. All
one.
right.
I keep forgetting
Who
about it.
next? Who next? Who next? What's next? What we looking at, y'all? Don't be scared now. Come on, it's only
I
That's
know,
just
right? I mean, I'll
excessive.
call something out again if y'all ain't got nothing.
Yeah, call it, call it.
All right, all right, all right. I'm looking at TPL.
TPL? What is that?
Texas
Texas Pacific.
Light.
Ooh.
We we
What?
we tore their ass up a few weeks ago.
Whoa.
Rams and them.
Oh yeah. Dang. Okay. This is woo. This is looking. Hold on. They had earnings? Oh wait, no, not yet. Oh, not till May. Okay, hold on. Oh, they just had earnings. Okay.
Yep.
They failed one of them. Yeah. Not by much though. They almost made it, but they ain't make it. That was back in
Almost don't count
you know period. Almost ain't cutting it over here.
at all.
For sure. Okay, yeah. Okay, so lower high on the monthly, boom. Then we got the high on the weekly. We're gonna come back to the daily. Look at the 4 hour. Bam. 4 hours definitely in the uptrend. And it has a high. It's pulling back. Well, actually it's consolidating at the moment. But and let's see on the 1 hour. Now that look ooh. What
Got a
yeah.
line.
Yeah, it was clearly in a downtrend, but it's just like it's sideways, like going crazy. Let me see.
That
Yeah,
thing ran up crazy for us.
it did. TPLA.
What did you do? A swing?
Yeah, we did some swing trades on it. I got put onto that by Rams.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Rams, he was the one who actually called it out. And I was like, shit.
Mm.
I ain't never jumped in a play that he called out and lost. So I was like, you know what?
Oh, wow.
He's trending up. So let me jump in this.
That's good.
But okay. So this needs a
A pullback.
Yeah, a pullback because it been running since.
It's been running
Yeah,
real
since
good.
it been running.
The
Yeah.
whole year. Wow, that's oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
since January the 8th. Well, yeah, yeah. Oh man, yeah, that thing was consolidating for a long time.
It
Good.
was,
That's
yeah.
why.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, yeah, because it had a crazy drop. And look at that. Sideways movement from August till December. No, January. Yeah, August to January. That's a long time.
Mm-hmm.
That's a long time, man.
Yeah. I got
Yeah.
another banger too.
Okay. Oh, you got a banger? All right. We like bangers. We like bangers. But yeah, this need a pullback though. Before anything. Yeah, because that is just looking like boop. So
Wow, that's good.
you gotta wait. But this is definitely worth putting on a watch list for sure.
What did he say?
For
Had he
sure.
been watching it? He just and he was monitoring the range breakout?
You
Who,
got
Rams?
Rams, yeah. What did he identify?
I don't remember because that was last month or no.
Mm-hmm.
He put it on my radar last
Mm,
year, like in the beginning of December.
okay.
When he put it on my radar. But when he came in with his, rationale, bias, all of that good shit, I said, fuck all that. This motherfucker gonna hit because Rams put it in. So I didn't even read all of that. I said, yep, I'm about to jump into play. And
Yeah. He
but
said, Bubba, I know what's going ahead, right?
I rarely do that though. Like I only do that if it's like somebody like, Rams or MU or somebody, you know what I'm saying, real reputable. I'll be like, you know what? I don't even care about their rationale. I know they gonna hit.
Period. Boom. Waiting for the pullback. So this is what I would say about that because you at least wanted to pull back the hair or
Definitely.
somewhere, in between there. I mean, anywhere in between there is good, but like, yeah, ideally the 50 is always a great pullback. But sometimes it just pull here and it just go. But at least you got the targets from the pullback. Or it could just keep going too, because it looked like it's just on a rise. So that one is how I would play that. Is it TP? What is that? Oh, TPL. Okay. Texas, something. Pacific. What does it say?
Hello?
Ag? Daily chart. That look good, y'all. That look good, y'all. That look good, y'all.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
Moo, I got a quick question when you get done.
I'm done. What's up? Let me put
Okay. Um, you know the I was
oh,
looking at Meta and
my bad. I put the wrong in the chat. Go ahead.
I was looking at Meta and so I want to get in the Meta play. Um, I guess my question is I'm not going if I set it for a different strike price, not the one if I wanted to get in at one that's cheaper but for the same date,
Mhm. Absolutely.
would it matter? It really, long as I get out when I see when I want to get out, should it do it matter what strike price I pick?
I mean, now if you know when you're going to get out, I mean,
Okay,
you want to pick a strike price that's, bigger than the current price, of
right,
course, in the direction.
yeah,
Uh,
bigger. Okay,
yeah.
I'm just so used to buying them the
Well,
regular. I guess I ain't never bought one outside of the actual strike price that was
oh,
intended. So I
oh,
just yeah, I had never bought a different strike price before.
okay.
Okay, but it shouldn't matter as long as I know where I want to get out at.
Yes, yes, yes. So see how now Meta is at 657, but you see this higher low. That's why I wrote the bye-bye uptrend. And but look again, look how the wicks just wick the 786. Because yeah, if it closed underneath, that's what I was saying about the other stock. If it come underneath there, then yeah, lights out. Like the trend has flipped. But Meta has been on a bullish run since
Right,
this, you know what I'm saying, which is on Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and this was today.
right.
So
And so I do got an alert set up based off what based on what I see. I got an alert set for when it crossed over the 663. Um,
663.
to
Okay.
see, yeah, and then so when it alert
Okay.
me, then I like check for
Then you can hop
components and
in.
stuff like that.
Yeah, and just put your stop loss like right here, 630, like right
Yeah.
underneath the higher low.
Okay. Yeah, I think my real question was more so about the strike price thing.
Okay, yeah. You
Yeah,
can pick a strike price in the direction that you're going.
just the
So
direction
just
of
check
it.
them out. I mean, it's the target, so not that one, but yeah, maybe somewhere around
Yeah.
7 or up here. Depending on how far you want to take it. So
Okay.
yeah, Meta looks good. It looks good. Yep. I definitely hopped in Meta, so I'm already in there. I'm 2 days. Ciao. Yep, that looks great. Meta, where is better?
You got in already, Moo?
I did. My joint is a bullish candle higher than a higher low. You see the bullish candle
Okay.
higher than a higher low? You see it? Right here.
Mm.
Sniper entry. Yes, man. That's me all day. I do the same thing. I don't change my get up. Woo. Bam. Meta. Meta play. Meta daily choice. I want to get in meta. Meta's metaing. It's like that's what I'm saying. Y'all see the meta glasses?
Mhm.
I just keep talking about the better glasses.
I didn't see that one. You can check the email on them glasses. You be like, yeah. No.
I think you checked the price last time. What it was, about 5.
Yeah, man.
For the
And
meta glasses?
Yeah.
Shit, them shits is like 329 out here.
I don't know what
well,
MU looked up the Gucci ones. They was 5.
yeah, they
Oh,
were.
okay, Gucci. That's what it is. Okay.
Yeah, they trying to be a little fancy. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. say the gooch.
Right. Say the gooch. Oh yeah, them things is not playing. They want their coins, honey. And they like, okay, you can do this, that, and the third on them. Yeah, here you go. Here's the price tag for you. But if they cheaper out there, then I might holler at you.
What if it has some type of technology where anybody wearing them meta glasses, like they be on some. I don't know. I be thinking real crazy. Like, yo, what if they could just press a button and blow everybody up wearing the goddamn meta glasses? Just blow your
Oh,
goddamn head up.
oh my God.
Start watching the Kingsman.
It made me think about the Kingsmen and shit like they live.
Oh, well, that's pretty creepy. Like what in the world? Okay. But yeah, okay. What y'all wanna look at next? Ben, we on the road here.
T'Challa,
Oh,
sit your ass back, man. Hot ass breath.
I'm trying to see.
what y'all got? What we got, Coach? What we got, Coach?
Put me in, coach. Put me in, coach.
Put me in the game, Coach. All right. What y'all want to look at next? Let's see, well,
I try not
MU
to
made
call
a
out the
lower
same one.
high.
one more time.
MU made a lower high.
Oh, MU. Oh,
You know how they've been
trying to come
running
back?
the stock ones, I mean the memory ones.
Mm-hmm.
So finally, you see, it doesn't show a lower high on your end.
On my end. Well, let me check the little zigzag.
Let me see.
Is that 10? Yep. See, 10. I didn't change nothing.
Let me
That's kind
take a
of
look. Mine shows
10.
10 close open, and
Close.
mine printed a lower high.
They printed a lower high. Okay. Interesting. Maybe that's what
Right
it is.
there, yeah.
On a daily time frame?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know. Let me see. Y'all got a lower high too?
Let me check my settings out.
Yeah, check that on the Micron. MU. Okay, look. Ooh, that's on a crazy uptrend.
I don't see a low high.
You
You don't
don't?
see it? See, it's not just me, huh?
Mine has 10 zigzag, close open,
Close open. Hold on, look back.
and overbought 70, oversold 30.
Yes, that is
Mommy,
correct. Let's check it out.
mommy,
Yeah,
would you tell daddy that I'm not a baby anymore?
yeah, high low. Boom. Yep, show little green. Yeah,
Okay, zigzag 10, higher low.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It must be different. Something. Let me see. Okay, uptrend. We're gonna come back to the daily. Oh,
It
okay.
has been struggling to get above 439 for a while though.
Yeah, this is the yesterday's closing price. So, this is interesting, but it's been consolidating like crazy though. Last year. Let me see in the 1 hour. Let's check that. Look at that. It ain't going nowhere. So a low. So a low high, a low, and now it's pulling back to come back down. So this is a perfect example of conflicting because the monthly and the weekly is going up, the 4 hour and the 1 hour is coming down. So that is conflicting. And the daily is clearly in a uptrend. However, let's see. Hold on. Let's see what these moving averages really at. All right. So, oh look, the 30-week near the 200. Okay. Boom. So it's above the 50, above the 200, above the 800. So that's bullish until it closes at least under the 50, and then it can go to the 200. But it looks bullish for sure. For sure. Let me see about the 20. Let me see. Yeah,
I guess we
it's
can just watch the range for a breakout.
a breakout. Yeah, and where is put on hold on, I'm gonna see the DIY. Give me a sec. I want to see. I want to see. Okay. Uh let me see. Okay. All right, interesting. Interesting. Okay, so it made the supply at the higher high. Okay, and this is now demand, right? Where price bounce off. See, price bounce off. The higher lows is normally demand, right? So rightly so. Okay, that's fine. I just wanted to see where that was. Now I am going to put my boy on there, Mr. Fibbo Wibbo, and tell you what I see. Now, Fibbo coming to the higher low. Because in trend continuation, we use the higher low for A. For all of our new people. And then put it at the top. Bam. Okay. So now, so we got the pullback on this, right? We got the pullback. And actually, well, I'm going to spread it out a little bit more. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. All right. So technically, higher low is here. Right here. And it's been consolidating. So above this higher low, which it did. Like what day was that? That is on Thursday, February 12th. So since Thursday, February 12th, that thing just been moving sideways. So what I would do, and that candle up there, I would wait until it get above 438, which is just on the top of this candle, only because it's in this range like that. You know what I'm saying? And it could definitely come back down too, but and it also can go back up. But a higher low is a failure to go lower. So it has been pushing up, but for some reason, it's just been consolidating for like over a week now. So I don't know why. I don't see any news thingy on here to check, but on a they got earnings in March. So how did they do last time? Oh, they did good. Okay, back in December. Okay, so they got a little minute. So since it's in between the dots, it's in that range. So this is the higher low dot, and this is just the tallest candle dot. It's just like in that range right there. So that's what I would say. It could go higher or it can go lower. So I would just honestly wait for a breakout, like Ari said, and because it can go either way. You know, does that make sense, guys? I think it does. I think it does. Because it got conflict too on the daily and the weekly and all that good stuff. And yep, it got conflict. So I will wait. It's definitely worth putting on the watch list though, for sure. 1000%. MU Micron. That's it. Micron. Daily charts. There we go. They're gonna get it. Bam. And know what them dotted lines mean. That's the range that is raining. So wait till either come down or just hopefully you want to break out. So next bullish candle to break out and close, that's when you can look for your entry. Stop loss underneath the higher low. That's what I would do. So put it on your watch list, people. It's worth putting on a watch list. You dig? Bam. All right. Knocking them out. Knocking them out. All right. What we got? We got room for like 2, maybe 3 more.
Hey, Emil,
STX.
will you look at Broadcom because it has earnings next week?
Okay. Which one we do first? Who first?
We could do Broadcom first.
Okay.
Mhm.
AVGO.
You were in it. Are you still in it, Moo?
I gotta check. I believe so. Oh, look at that.
I'm
That
in
thing.
too.
And it's been
You in
ranging.
Yeah, the thing is on a ranger. So let's see here. Hold on. Why did that happen? Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah. That's all the ones we looked at. All right. So this one is okay, boom. Okay, AVGO. So let's check it out for the monthly, right? Oh, you said earnings? Let me see.
Next week, the 4th.
The 4th, yep, I see that. Bam. Okay, look at you on it. I be on it all day. Yay, yay. Okay, so on here, guys, what do we see? We see a pullback, don't we? Y'all see that pullback or no? Because
Kind of hard to miss them long candles.
Yo, but look how long that thing ABGO been running.
Yeah, it's time.
Yo, since October 22. Did I say 2022? Yo, that's like a 4-year run.
Wow.
It just so, and then when you see, well, hold on though. You can see a replay of the replay. So you see right here, 3 bearish candles. 1, 2, 3, and then you see 3 bearish candles. 1, 2, 3. So normally, when you see a what you call it, a 3 dark crows in a uptrend. Let's look that up, y'all. Let's look that up. 3 dark crows. 3 dark crows in an uptrend. What does it mean? Okay, high confidence, over 70% accuracy, bearish reversal pattern appearing at the peak of an uptrend, signaling a shift to seller control. It consists of 3 consecutive candles, long body red candles, each opening with their previous body and closing lower, often with no to little wicks. So, which means, look, and they got their crows. Yeah. So, how to trade it? Enter a short position after the 3rd candle closes. Stop loss placed above the high of the 3rd candle. Set profit targets based on the upcoming support levels. Now, that's one way, right? 3 dark crows. Another way is it could repeat this same move because sometimes I notice that after seeing 3 bearish candles in a row, that's going to give it a strong push up. Now, because it's at a higher high, that means overbought, right? A red one anyway. All right. Ooh, higher low, layer to go lower, and it's consolidating. Like, look, since September, and on the weekly anyway, it's just been going sideways. Okay, we're gonna come back to the daily. 4 hour. What are you doing? 4 hours in a crazy downtrend. Okay, okay. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. And then 1 hour. All right. 1 hour is the 4 hour with more candles. Look at that. Look at that.
Adi.
All right. So, isn't that just crazy? Crazy. All right. So what we doing here? So it's underneath yesterday's close, right? On the hourly. So we got lower low, which means it's pulling back to make another lower high. Now, if it comes back up and takes out this high, which means past this, then it's going to turn into a high. But this is on the hourly. So let's look at the daily. All right. Now, conflict. Because the daily time frame, because up here, what was this? That had, oh, let me see. That is looking interesting. This is giving like head and shoulders vibe. Yeah. Yeah. So, but now it's at a higher low, right? So anytime you see a lower high followed by a higher low, that means somebody is trying to trick you out. Because we're looking at a downtrend, right? You see lower low, lower high, higher low. Higher low means failure to go lower. And if you look at it on the 4-hour, it's in, excuse me, a lower low, which is like right in this demand zone right here. And it looks like it's trying to come back up, but it is giving you a 3-bar play. Bearish, bullish, bearish, which means trend continuation, which means it definitely could come right back down. Because look, how long has this thing been going sideways? Since here, since December, because it's just been trading in a range. Like, look at it, constantly gets up, boom. Now it has come underneath this little demand zone here, boom, and now it's at a lower low. But this is on the 4-hour time frame. So I just wanted to see that. Okay, so boom. So where are we doing? What is this looking like? How is it going? So what I would say, the higher low is bullish. I'm sorry, bearish, right? So this is giving me like head and shoulder vibes, right? And the only reason why I say that is because of this sharp point up here, this point here, and this point here. So, hold on, look it up. Make sure I ain't tripping, right? Check my resources. Boom. Look, it already know. It already know. So this is like what I see here. This little thing right here. It's like a shoulder, left shoulder, the head, which is like always at the top, and then like the right shoulder. And then the neckline is just like this long line. So I'm about to draw the neckline. Boom. And we're gonna look at it. Neckline. Oh, actually, it's already there. Bam! We're gonna use that line. Bam. Okay. So I'm gonna make it a little brighter though, so we can actually like see it. See it. Bam. Where is it? And I'm gonna tell you where it's going. All right. So this is for my drawing purpose, left shoulder. Right? This is the right shoulder. Bam, bam, bam. And this is the head up here. Mr. Head. Got a big old head. Boom. And then down here is the neck line. Neckline. So I'm gonna just put it like out the way so it's not covering up anything. Boom. All right. Now, how the head and shoulder work? Anybody know? Take a stab at it.
That's the right
Huh?
realistic.
Huh?
They call them-
When the neckline, I guess this is a head and shoulder, so when the neckline crosses off of the right shoulder, that's when it's, I guess, bearish.
Bearish. Yes, the neckline off of the shoulder. Right. Okay. Anybody else want to add, or y'all cool with that? Or no?
Well, that's for this one. Inverse would be the opposite. Inverse
Yeah.
head and shoulder.
Inverse would be the opposite. This is true. Also, well, so y'all don't. Yeah, this is the neckline here. All right, so from here, and let's look at the picture, right? So neckline is supposed to come all the way back down to this point, right? But you have to measure it. See, this don't tell you like the secret sauce, you know what I'm saying? So secret sauce, neckline to the head. To the hood, right? Bam. Wow. 28.66%. Whoa. 92 points, a 92 buck move. That's tough. So, and all you do, pull that mug right here to the neckline, and it's tell you exactly where it should go. Bam. Right here. This would be H and S take profit, and I would definitely make that bigger. I don't even know why is that daggone small in the first place. Well, my thing. Okay, H and S take profit. I like mine green. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Okay. H and S. Oh, and then that is now say that's a 40% move. Okay. Boom. So 40% move. 40.25 to be exact. Okay, so what do we have here? We have ourselves. So this neckline, look how many times it tested. So right here, it officially tested here, right? So then I'm looking at bearish candles only. So 1, 2, 3, and today makes 4. So 4 times it tested it and did not break through it. Well, this one did. That lower low did. But the fact that it came up, made a lower low, lower high, failed to go higher, made the shoulder, came back down, and now it's saying higher low, which this could be a whole fake out, right? So what matters here is tomorrow or the day after that or whenever. So what I would do is put a line under this structure point, or it can go lower, whatever. And once price closes under there, it should be well on its way. I'm just saying. Because the breakdown and retest already happened. So the fact that it still playing on the neckline, see how it didn't even close underneath there. It's just sitting right on it. So you want it to close underneath this line, and you want the price to close underneath this structure point, because now this is a higher low. Because this could easily come back up. So you gotta wait. Does that make sense?
Yes, and if it closes underneath, it'll be under the 200.
Thank you. Let me put them joints back on. Come on. Okay, already getting acquainted with the EMAs. I love it. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yep. Under the 50. Definitely under the 30, because this bearish sentiment all day. Under the 30 week. Yeah, for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. So yeah. Yep. So that's 3 things. I would look for okay, so I'm gonna just write it out, right? Well, I'm gonna take the EMAs off. So okay, wait, but I'm gonna put like a line right there though. Cause I don't want it to. Okay, so the EMA is like right here. Something like that. So that's the 200, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna take it off. Because when I snapshot it, okay, so I'm gonna write it on here. So you're waiting for 3 things. For one, waitlist. One, it would be close under neckline. 2, it would be close under the 200 EMA. Let's put it on your chart. 3, close under the higher low. Once it do all 3 of those, all 3 happen, entry, sniper, entry, stop loss, at neckline. Does that make sense, y'all? I'm giving y'all the whole rundown, the whole play.
And they have earnings next week.
Ooh, they have earnings next week. Okay. Ooh, something gonna help push this thing on down.
I think it'll be
Shit.
earnings because all tech stock, regardless of how they're performing, they're just going down, like Nvidia,
And right.
like yesterday.
Yeah.
Nvidia is annoying as fuck. I don't understand Nvidia.
I think
Man,
Nvidia had that one great run. I don't think they gonna have another one no time soon. So if
No,
you didn't
it's
get it then,
no, because they had been consolidating, I think, for like a year or two. And then it ran from like April of last year through like October, I think. And then
but
now it has to consolidate again.
when it ran, what it gave you, 30, maybe $40.
Big. It went from April low $96 to 150.
geez,
No,
wowzers.
to 200.
It went 200.
Yeah.
Wow.
So April low was $87. And
Mm,
then it went to in October to 200. So it ran. That was
man,
big.
that's big. You're
Yeah,
right.
for 4 trillion. And then
Mhm.
prior to that, it had been consolidating for like, I don't know, a
Close to a
year.
year, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Wowzer.
Yeah, so it's probably going to consolidate another year to make another big move.
Okay. And what was that car you said? Was it STX?
Yes.
Okay. You in STX or you thinking about getting in it?
I'm not in
Oh,
anything
okay.
right this minute. I'm just waiting.
And
Okay.
STX, that thing been getting on my nerves too. It'll go up $30
It's
and get it back the next
consolidating.
day.
They go up $30 and just sit like that
Yeah,
thing
it's
look.
been ranging.
Ooh. Okay, yes, it has been. All right. Yep. So it's in the uptrend on a monthly. Weekly uptrend, but pulling back. Come back to the daily 4 hour. Ooh. Ooh, man. It's been in that range. Let's see, since when? January 27th. So almost a month. Sideways. Okay. Even more sideways. Yikes. Hold on. You know that look crazy?
I
Jeez.
see a higher low on the daily. I got to check and see if everybody said it's the same. You see that one, Mo?
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's check it out. Let me see. Hold on, let's spread it out. High, it got two higher lows. Look at that range. Mm. Now
I
that's
saw one
strange.
on the 11th and one today.
I would look this one like more so like this, like a little wolf flag type, yawn. And this is like something like that. And something like that. Don't laugh at my flag, y'all. I know it's kind of ugly. Something like that. Don't laugh at me. I'm not the best drawer. Something like that. So I would look at that like in a
As soon as you say that,
flag type vibe. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and for our viewers, let's look that up. Okay, bull flag. Cause yeah, that looks crazy. So this is what is anticipated on a bull flag. So that's so it's like this is like my little flag. Man, it don't gotta be a perfect little square like that, just in the flag. And the anticipated thing to happen is to go up, just like that. Something like that, right? Or here's another cool example of bull flag. This is the pole, this is the actual flag, and then you have the breakout, strong uptrend. So right here, you got to measure the pull, right? So you're waiting for a breakout. Because clearly on the 4 hour and definitely the 1 hour, it's just been ranging, and obviously on the daily as well. So then you measure it, right? Boom, come all the way up. So like right there. Bam. 65%. Cool. Now a candle has not broken out yet. So you will put it on the highest bullish candle inside. So I'm gonna put it on top of here. And we'll see how far it's gonna get. Like right on the body. Bam. And bam. And bam. And I would write bull. Oops. Bull flag. Take profits. And if you want 43% move. Oops. Move. See? 43%. That's 181 points right there. That is a lot. That's heavy. Yeah, you can definitely get paid on that for sure.
Now I
If
just
it
got to
breaks
find the
out.
right entry.
Yes, so the entry candle, ladies and gentlemen, would be you wanted a candle to like close above it, right? Close above this little trend line right here. So the next bullish candle that close above it, wait for the candle to close. Then put a line on top of it to make sure that you're entering on top of it, just like that. That's what I be doing. Boom. So you can see like right on top of the wick. And then once that candle has closure, then yeah, sniper entry for sure. So I'm gonna draw my little arrow. This is where it can go. Bam. And that is your bull flag. And STX is projected to go to $600.66. Contingent upon a breakout bullish candle. You always want to enter in on bullish candle. So breakout bullish candle and then sniper entry candle. So that's what you're waiting on. 2 bullish candles. That's what you're waiting on. Capiche?
Two. Two bullets,
X.
got you.
2 bullish candles. That's
Two
right.
bullets on the daily.
On the daily. That's right. STX daily charts. So set an alert. You can set an alert. Alerts are your best friend. At least they are mine. So you ain't gotta sit there and stalk the chart like, you know what I'm saying? You just be like, just be like, ah, boom, that is so cute. Like, hopefully, yeah, yeah, 43%. That could be real pretty for you right there. All you do is wait for it to touch it. Boom, and get out of that. Okay. All right, we got time for one more, ladies and gentlemen.
OIH.
Oh, you really is on that AV round.
Okay. Insignia. Whoa. Is that the right one?
No.
Okay.
OIH.
Oh, I'm tripping. You did say that. Okay, this is it. ETF, right? Okay, yeah. I was like, wait a minute. That don't look right. Okay, got it. Boom. Okay. Clearly it is in the uptrend. Are you in this play?
Nah, not yet. I've been watching it.
You've been watching it. Okay. For sure. Mm, okay. That thing is on a uptrend. Okay, so monthly. Let me just get a little. Let's see what it was doing. Oh, wow. Woo. This got room to run. High, what? 1160? Sheesh. This has room to run for sure. Wow. All right. Let's see. Okay, uptrend.
All time high is around like 1600 or something like that.
That's nuts, yo. That is nuts. Like 1600. Okay, and uptrend. Okay, see, this is a good example of everything is in sync here. All of them is going the same way. Up. All right. So where y'all think it's going? Up or down? Right. All right, bet. So way up. Yeah, it definitely got room to run for sure. So what are we waiting for, ladies and gentlemen?
I see A and B. Where's C?
That's what we missing, ain't it? So hold on before I do that.
Yeah.
Let me look at the EMAs right quick. Where are they? Oh yeah. Oh see, yeah, it's sitting above all of them. Now it could pull back, to make a higher low. It's gonna do that, but as long as it doesn't come underneath this 50, long as it don't come underneath 346.85, because once the any stock that you're looking at on any time frame, once the 50 is just like that median point. Like if it closed under the 50, start looking, change your mind. Like that thing is because that is just like the line in the sand. At least it is for me. Okay, and it's above 800. So the fact that it's above all of the EMAs, that's pretty dope. So yes, this is looking bullish, but you do, as far as entry is concerned, you want to wait for C, the higher low, for sure. So we're gonna draw that up. Does that make sense, Joe? Yeah.
Mhm.
1,000.
1,000%. So let's see how far. But this thing got run a run though. This came from a crazy long downtrend. This was like trending. So let's see. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. So it could go at least. And the cool thing about the Fibbo is as the price keep going up, you can just keep moving the Fib too. So that's why this is my favorite tool, and it's free. This tool is amazing. I love this thing. Obviously, right? Charge. Boom. And boom. And boom. Okay, boom. And just wait, let me see. Let me go back to this monthly. I'm trying to just see that so you can do like this, go to the structure points and just see how high it really can come back up though. That's like 1 and 3 of them is always good. 2. And then this crazy one. Ooh. 3. Yep, somewhere up in there. That's crazy. So that's where it can come back up to. So just, something for y'all to do and look forward to. Just go to the structure points and draw the lines of that. Because that is looking bullish for sure. Oh, and let me put waiting for pullback on here so we know what we're doing. Waiting for pullback. I'm just going to put pullback. Yeah. We're going to move it so we can read it. Right there is good. All right. Boom. All right. We are waiting for pullback. That is C. So this is A, B, and there is no C. That's what we waiting on. So add this to y'all watch list. Okay. Everybody add this, put this on your watch list. I'm gonna send you the thing. OIH. Daily shorts. Copy paste. Daily shorts. And boom. And boom. And boom. Yep. Waiting on the pullback. All right. So we let's see. Hold on. Where is it? And here. Bam. So y'all should have in the chat one. Who was it? Carvana. So a recap, Carvana. We mark this up on the weekly chart. So yeah, wait for that next bullish candle. Yep. Carvana is that. And then we did TPL, waiting for the pullback. So that's 1, 2. This is the third one. Meta. No bye-bye uptrend. So yep, already in Meta. So Meta is looking good to go up. Let's put it on the watch list. MU is consolidating at the moment on the daily time frame. So you wouldn't wait for the breakout above that 438.93 level. And of course, you got your targets right there. Then you got ABGO. We got the head and shoulders pattern, and this is your wait list. You want to see all 3 of these happen before you get your sniper entry, and then your stop loss is always at the neckline. Okay, STX. We got the bull flag. Bim. We got a 43% move. What are you waiting for? You waiting for the next bullish candle to pop out, and another bullish candle going after that. Gonna be your sniper entry, and I'm gonna put my stop loss like right underneath the higher low. Always stop loss in the uptrend. Stop loss underneath the higher low. And last but not least, we are waiting for a pullback for OIH. And these are your targets. And that's what you're looking for. So you guys should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dope charts today. Everybody got 7 charts in the chat? Or no?
Yeah, we still having that issue when we touch them, so they ain't lighting up. So I have to still
Oh,
copy
okay.
them.
Okay, tripping. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna copy all of these and I'm gonna put it in the Discord. Bam. How about that?
Yeah, that make everything so much more simple. Just drop it in the Discord.
Drop it in the Discord. Yes, sir. About to do that now. So Okay, well, I'm gonna do as soon as we get off, so ain't gonna make y'all wait on that. Yep, I'm gonna put them all in there, so it's 7 of them. Make sure when y'all do it, it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it's 7. All right, so I'm gonna drop 7 links in the Discord. And and for Monday night's class, y'all. So Monday nights is y'all doing this. So y'all want to get better with your charting? Tap in Monday nights at 8:30. I'm gonna look at you do a stock that you looking at, and then I'll critique it. So we just started that this week actually, and it went pretty well. So y'all want to get better with your charting? Pull up a stock, whatever, however you dress it up with the fib or however you do it. And then I help you get better type vibe. 8:30 Eastern Standard Time Monday night. So tap in. Y'all cool with that?
Okay, got a question for that
Sure.
right there class. Well, how we post the chart that we want you to see? We have to screenshot it and then post it for you to
I
see, or
mean,
how would that go?
oh well, you can just like save it like I did with the publishing. Like if you just want to put it in the chat and like, hey, move, look at this, whoop, whoop. If you want to do that, or you can screenshot it, or you can screenshot
Okay,
it. And as far as when Monday night come, we can do like multiple share screens. So you'll pull up on your laptop and you'll pull up your screen, and then you can explain to us your rationale, because you are going to have to explain the rationale, what you're looking at, why you looking at it, why you think it's going up, why you think it's going down, because this is to help you get better as a charter. You know what I'm saying?
okay. I'm gonna have to watch how you save them charts then.
Oh yeah, so all you do is hit publish, right? And then you hit publish idea, call it what you want, ABC, ABC, right? And all you do is hit continue. Everything, just make sure it says private and not public, because that means you're gonna publish it to the whole trading view. This is private, so you get your own private link when you're done, and then hit publish. That's it.
Gotcha.
Yep. That is that. Well, do you really want? Yes, I do. All right, boom. So publish, go over one more time. Publish idea, call it, continue, next, hit, make sure it says private, and then publish private idea. And that's it. And as far as where you
Gotcha.
can find it, right here. So wherever your initial thing is over here, so come all the way over here. See, mine is Moo Legend Rules, and you just come to your profile. So over here, come to the first thingy, your profile. You're gonna see Buku charts over here. So these are all the charts that I be charting up. So all your stuff can be right here. This is all your whole little archive. You dig?
Gotcha.
Pretty dope, right? So this is all your archive. These are all the charts I haven't marked up. I got buku. Hey, shizzo. So anybody else got any questions before we get up out of here? Because I want to see all y'all on Monday. Let me see y'all get better with this charting. Capiche?
Good piece.
All right. Well, thank
Thanks,
y'all.
Mo.
No doubt. Y'all have a